What's up, you guys? Charlie here from MA Performance, and in today's video we're going to be putting a Seibon front lip on the 2015 plus WRX that we've got here at the shop. In the past, I have definitely bought knockoff front lips, and if you guys are like me and have done that in the past, you've experienced some fitment issues, customize and modify the lip that you purchased so that it'll actually fit. Now, the nice thing about using nice parts like from Seibon, for example, is that it's just gonna go right up onto the car, no problems, no need to drill any holes, and it'll fit up perfectly as long as your stock bumper is not messed up, obviously. That being said, today's gonna be a little bit more of an instructional video, a little bit more of a how-to, if you will, and we're gonna show you guys how to install this front lip on your car. Now, let's get right into it. The first step to install your Seibon front lip is to get your car up off the ground. Now, while this isn't 100% necessary, it makes the job a lot easier. Now, we actually use the lift for the ease of filming, but jack stands will do just fine if you don't have access to a lift. You'll need to start by removing your OEM push pins that help hold the bumper in place. Holding the front lip to the bumper will give you an indication of which push pins need to be removed. Next, while holding the front lip to the bumper, insert the plastic push pins you removed in the previous step. I will say, having a friend or some masking tape will help a lot here. Now, once all the push pins have been inserted, use some self-tappers to further secure the front lip to your bumper. Be sure to use screws with a large enough head or use a washer screw combo. Now, Seibon already made holes for you to more easily do this step, so where to add the screws is pretty self-explanatory. And that's it. You can give the front lip a little security tug or a good old "that's not going anywhere," so you can feel good about how it's fastened to the bumper. But now you can take a step back and admire just how good this Seibon front lip looks. All right, you guys, there it is. The front lip is all installed. As you guys can tell, it looks absolutely phenomenal. The fitment is right on point. There were no holes that we needed to drill, as I mentioned at the intro. It's super simple. You just remove those factory push pins, put them back in, and then for additional support, you can go ahead and put in some self-tappers like we did. Just make sure you get ones with a little bit of a bigger head or a washer, as you saw us do in the video. But that's where we're gonna end it. It's totally transformed the look of this car. Now, as you might be able to see on our Christmas tree, there's a little something right there that might go right there. Might go, no promises, for the next video, so stay tuned because we've got a bunch of other Seibon parts that we're going to be putting on this car. Not to mention, I've also got some wheels, if you can see in the background, that are going to be going on this car. I'm going to be doing those right now, actually, but you guys are going to have to wait to see that till another video. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let us know your thoughts and show support to the channel if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, let us know that too down below. Nonetheless, we'll see you in the next one. And if you want any of these Seibon parts for your car, check the link down in the description below because we've got them on the site and you'll love to see it. We'll see you next time. Peace.